Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So far we understood how to find the largest and smallest number with a different methodology. We also learned how many numbers we can generate from the given number, and also we understood how to arrange the ascending and descending order by considering which is largest and which is smallest. And also we know that how to shift the digits from the given number and to generate a different number, and later on we found how to find the largest and smallest from that. These all are part of the comparing numbers. Okay, and one more section in this, how to read a number and how to write a number, and how to interpret the place values position of a number, and how to read those names for those place values with respective number system, and combining together it will give numbers. You can read it in the words, and also vice versa. So that's what we are going to learn in this session. So let's start without much delay. Welcome to my channel Educate to Grow. All my sessions are divided to subsection topic. You can jump directly to specific content whichever you want during the session. Now let us understand how to read a number. We already studied, but still I'm going to some couple of examples. Let's start with the 3-digit number 265. Okay, how to interpret first? This is 0 position, this is 10 position, this is 100 position. Let's write this one, 5 into single digit equal to 5. This is 10th position, 6 into 10th position, 60. Let me write little bit spacious. This is 5, this is 60. This is 2 number at the 100 location. It's called 200. So if you add these two, it will come 265, right? How to read this now? This is 200. 200. Okay, this is 60, this is 5. So we need to write like 200 and 65. Like this we have to write 265 only. This is how we need to interpret the numbers into place values. This is called HTO, whatever it is. This is called place values, where we need to check which digit it belongs to what place value. Accordingly we need to multiply with a single digit and the 10 digit and 100th position, so on. Then we have to make it that number comes correct or not. Then we need to go with this is 200, this is 60, this is, we have to give the naming for that. Then we need to club together. So that's how we need to read it. Let's take with another example. Let's take a 3 digit 589. So this is 0 place position, this is 10th position, this is 100 position. Let's start with 9 into 1 equal to 9. This is called 9. Okay, coming to next 8. 8th is in 10th position, correct? So this is 80. So okay, next this is 5 at H 100 location. So we have to type 100. It is 500. Add all these things. 500, 985. So the number is matching. Fine. So let's write in the words 589. That's it. Got it? Let's take a 4-digit number. 4629. Okay, let's interpret first. This is 4-digit number. First 0 single digit, that is 10th position, 100 position, 1000 position. Let's write 9 into single digit 9. Let me put a bit far. 9. This is 9. Clear? Now let's go here. 2 in 10th position 20. Okay. Now 6 goes here. 6 into 100 position, it is 600. 600. Okay. Now 1000. Okay. 4 into 1000 equal to 4000. This is 4000. Okay, now add together. 9 comes here, 2 comes here, 6 comes here, 4 comes here, right? This is the number, right? Now write in the words. First, this is the one. Second, third, fourth. Let's write 4000 and 629. 29. So this is how we have to write. Let's take with the 5 digit. Let's understand with the 5 digit. 7 9 4 5 3. Here this is 5 digit. Let's put place value 0, single digit, 10th position, 100 position, 1000 position and 10,000 position. Okay, let me put a line here so that it will be easy to understand. Now understand. Let's start. 3 into 1 equal to, let's put it 3 here. This is 3. 5 into 10th position, how much? 50. Okay. Next, 4th position. 4 into 100th location, it is called a 400. That is 400. Next, 9 is in the 1000. 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000. It is how we need to write 9000. Now coming to the 7. 7 is in the 10,000. Okay, this is 10,000. We have to say 70,000. Okay, 70 because it is 10th location. Okay, 70,000. 70,000. I'll tell you 70 and 1000. Here we need to put a comma. I'll tell you how to use comma in the upcoming session. 70,000. Okay, let's put together all together. 79,000. We have to consider like that. 79,000. Okay, means we read this one now. And 453. So this is how we need to read the number. Now if we add one more number here, 1, that become a lakh. Okay, that become a lakh. Here 1 into 1 lakh. This is called 1 lakh. Let me write it clearly. This is called 1 lakh. Now how to write 1 lakh? Okay, 1 lakh 79,453. So this is how we need to 1,79,453. So this is how we need to read. Let us summarize what we studied so far in this session. To start with, how to interpret the number in terms of the place values, and each number, each digit in the place value, what kind of naming convention we need to give, that we understood. And finally we added together and we found a sum, and for that sum how to put it in the words we understood. So this is how we need to write the numbers in terms of words. We also looked at the exercises in couple of different place values, and this is all about the summary. Going to the next chapter, going to the next subsection, where we are going to learn on how to use a comma in numbering system. There were total 2 systems, in Indian system and international system. The place values, how it will be divided with respect to Indian system and international system, and it will be easy for us to read the bigger numbers. Okay, that's how we are going to study. So without much delay, we will start those things. And before that, I request you to comment if you have any doubts and clarification. I'll try to answer for that, and try to subscribe and like and share, and to your friends and the students. Okay, we'll see you in the next subsection.